Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to reset your Ford Escape oil light. First, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. You'll need to access your vehicle's information display. Look for the control buttons, usually on your steering wheel or dashboard, that allow you to navigate through the menu options. Make sure your vehicle is safely parked before proceeding with these steps. Next, press the Setup button on your control panel to enter the main menu of your vehicle's information display. Once in the menu, use the Reset button to scroll through the available options. You're looking for the Oil Life or Engine Oil Life display. This is where you'll find the current percentage of your oil's remaining life. Take your time to locate this specific setting. Once you've found the Oil Life display, press and hold the Reset button for several seconds. You should see the oil life percentage begin to change. Keep holding until it resets to 100%. This action confirms that the system has registered the oil change. Release the button once the display shows the full 100%, indicating a successful reset. To confirm the reset, turn your ignition completely off, then turn it back to the on position or even start the engine briefly. Check your dashboard to ensure the oil change light is no longer illuminated. If the light persists, you may need to repeat the steps from the beginning. This final check ensures your vehicle's system correctly acknowledges the oil service. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.